In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a gradient to a shape here in Canva. So first off, we're going to have to utilize Canva's shapes. Now to find these, we want to come over to Elements, then we can click on Shapes just here. If we click on See All, we can use any one of these shapes. Now for this example, let's go with a star, and also let's go with a square, just like this. Now, as we can see, this is currently just one solid colour. Now, to change this to a gradient is actually really easy. All we want to do is click onto the shape, just like this. We're then going to come to the little colour icon just there, and from here, what we want to do is click on this little colour plus icon, where it says add a new colour. If we click on here, we have two different tabs, solid colour and gradient colour. So this is where we can start changing gradients. Now there is also a gradient preset as well. So once we click onto the shape, come to colours, we can scroll down and there's all these different presets just like this. Now if we want to use one of these but change a few little things, we can come back up to the top, click onto the little plus icon, and then this is where we can play around, add in new colours as well if we wanted to, just like that. And there's a few different gradient styles which we can choose from. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we can actually choose from. So if we go ahead and do this star as well, let's come straight onto the little plus icon. Let's go onto gradient. Now there's two different colours. If we want to change this, we can click onto there and then change it to the colour that we want. Let's click back on the blue. Let's do that lighter, and then let's change the gradient to this one. So as you can see, it's actually pretty easy to add a gradient to a shape here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.